Discover how to unlock the full potential of ClaudeCode with 5 groundbreaking features that boost your coding efficiency. Master these tools to enhance your productivity and streamline your coding sessions.
Welcome to our deep dive into ClaudeCode, the revolutionary coding assistant that's transforming how developers work. Did you know that ClaudeCode can boost your productivity by up to 30%? Today, we'll explore 5 features that make this possible and how you can use them to supercharge your coding sessions.
ClaudeCode is an innovative coding assistant designed to streamline your development process. As a tool, it integrates seamlessly with multiple IDEs, offering features like smart auto-completion, error detection, and personalized code suggestions. What sets ClaudeCode apart is its ability to understand context and provide relevant suggestions, making coding not just faster, but smarter. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a beginner, ClaudeCode adapts to your style and needs, offering a unique experience tailored just for you.
Auto-completion is one of ClaudeCode's most powerful features. Imagine typing only half of your code and having the rest intelligently filled in. This feature not only saves time but also reduces errors by predicting and completing your code as you type. To activate it, simply navigate to the Settings menu and toggle the auto-completion switch. Try starting with common functions or variable names, and watch as ClaudeCode predicts your next steps. If you encounter any issues, ensure your syntax is correct and the feature is properly enabled.
ClaudeCode's error detection capability is like having a second pair of eyes on your code. It automatically scans your code for syntax errors, logical errors, and even potential bugs. This feature is activated by default, but you can customize it to focus on specific types of errors. By identifying issues early, you can debug more efficiently and improve the overall quality of your code. Common errors like missing semicolons or mismatched brackets are highlighted instantly, allowing you to correct them on the fly.
ClaudeCode offers intelligent code suggestions that not only enhance your coding speed but also improve the quality of your code. This feature analyzes your coding patterns and provides suggestions that align with best practices. Refactoring is a key aspect of this feature, allowing you to restructure existing code without altering its functionality. This leads to cleaner, more efficient code. For instance, if you have repetitive code, ClaudeCode can suggest more concise alternatives, improving both readability and performance. Accessing documentation has never been easier with ClaudeCode's seamless integration. This feature provides instant access to API documentation, language references, and custom guides directly within your IDE, reducing the need to switch between windows. To use it, simply highlight a function or keyword and press the documentation shortcut key. This not only saves time but also ensures you have the necessary information at your fingertips, helping you resolve coding challenges more efficiently.
One of ClaudeCode's standout features is its support for multiple programming languages. Whether you're coding in Python, JavaScript, or C++, ClaudeCode provides tools and libraries tailored to each language. Switching between languages is straightforward. Simply select your preferred language from the Settings menu. This is particularly beneficial for polyglot developers who work on diverse projects. ClaudeCode manages language-specific syntax and libraries, ensuring smooth transitions and consistent coding experiences. However, be mindful of language-specific nuances and potential integration challenges.
Customization is key to maximizing ClaudeCode's potential. By accessing the Settings menu, you can tailor features to suit your specific workflow. Popular customizations include adjusting the auto-completion sensitivity, enabling or disabling certain features, and setting up keyboard shortcuts for your most used functions. A personalized coding environment not only enhances efficiency but also makes coding more enjoyable by aligning the tool with your unique style and preferences.
In a market filled with coding assistants, ClaudeCode distinguishes itself with its intelligent features and user-centric design. Compared to competitors like Copilot and Kite, ClaudeCode offers more advanced error detection and a robust suggestion engine. While each tool has its strengths, ClaudeCode's comprehensive approach to error handling and multi-language support gives it an edge. However, it's essential to evaluate your specific needs and preferences when choosing the right tool for you.
As we've explored, ClaudeCode is packed with features designed to enhance your coding efficiency. From auto-completion to error detection, each tool works in harmony to streamline your workflow. Don't just take our word for it, try ClaudeCode today and experience the productivity boost firsthand. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more deep dives into innovative coding tools. Leave a comment below on what features you'd like us to explore next. Stay tuned for more insights in our upcoming videos.